back to my channel. It's your girl Steffi J. Thank you for kicking it with the kid. Today I'm going to be showing you my #1 product, foolproof way to get off liquid lipstick and waterproof mascara. No harsh rubbing, no agitation. Shorty, I'm showing you how to get the night off your face superty duperty quick. All right. So if you're ready to know my secret tool, just keep on watching. And just so you know that your girl got you, I'm putting a link to this product right down in the description box for easy Amazon shopping. So all my shorties with the Prime, come on and get this product, okay? Honey, this right here, this is the Garnier SkinActive Micellar Cleansing Water All-in-One, removes makeup. Even waterproof mascara, cleanses and refreshes. Honey, if you do not have this in your makeup stash,
what are you doing, Sway?
It takes off everything. Everything. Like, I'm sure it'll take everything, but since you need salvation for that. So let's do a demo on how I get this off, just using a regular cotton pad. I know it'd be easy to use a makeup wipe just so you can get the full effect, but I want you to get the effect of how this works without a pre-moistened product. So I'm just going to saturate a cotton pad for you. So if you don't know what micellar water does, quick rundown is that this thing, when you shake it up, the formula, the micelles basically attract oil and dirt just to jumpstart your cleansing process. I know that it says that you don't have to cleanse afterwards. You do, sis. You do. So this is my pre-moistened pad. I'm just gonna put it on my lip, okay? Look. Gone. Gone. And honey, gone without a makeup wipe inside, okay? My lips don't even really look stained. This is this, and I'm honestly still kind of wet, so I'm going to even take off some of the other makeup on my face. And when it comes to removing the makeup on my eyes, I like to use a makeup wipe, and the ones I've been really enjoying lately are from Olay. They are fragrance free, and they also remove waterproof mascara. So I have my Olay waterproof makeup wipe remover and my micellar water that also removes waterproof. So you get your bang for your buck, sis. Like, we need to get all this off of our face without rubbing, because our eyes are the most sensitive part, and we don't need to be looking old. Please excuse my air blower if it's loud. It's like 20-something degrees outside, and I didn't want to freeze to make this video, so. Now, once you're done with that step, most of these micellar waters say that you can stop here and not have to rinse off. I say no. If you want bomb skin, you at least need to double cleanse if you are wearing foundation and then tone. Leaving on a product on your face, you're more prone to break out. Even if you don't have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, there's chemicals in these things. They have to mix these things together to make them work. You know, it's like science. Leaving it on your face, you might just break out into irritation. Personally, I still feel the cleansing water on my face, so I need to go wash my face and follow up with my nighttime routine to make sure that I keep my skin healthy and happy. You guys let me know, do you guys use micellar water, or what product do you use to get off waterproof mascara or liquid lipstick? A girl would love to know. Thank you for kicking it with the kid. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.
Uh-huh.